Welcome in part 7, and I promise you, my viewer, one more video and we'll be over. In this video I will show you how to model the lock, the light of the lock, and the wings and small part between the locks, and that's all. So don't waste more time and let's start. Before I modeled the lock, I had to cut out the right shape to make a space where the lock will be placed. To do that, I used this picture to trace the shape, and I used the Bool tool to cut out the shape. The way I created the shape was I copied or duplicate the face of the gate, so I didn't have to spend too much time to find the right angle. That speed up the workflow really fast. So later I just extrude and push the vertices to right places. And this is how I created the shape. And as I mentioned before, I used the Bool tools to cut out this shape in the gates. Here I have to mention that I noticed that the pieces of places that will be cut out by Boolean, where the wings will be placed, they have the wrong angle, so I decided to correct the angle, and it was quite easy, and I did this quite fast, just pulling the vertices in the right position. After I cut out the shape using Boolean operation, it was time to refine the topology of the mesh. I did that to get right shading and also for the UV wrap in the future, so the textures didn't have undesired stretching. After I finished refining the topology of the place we just cut out, it came the moment to attach the garbles I modeled before. Now came time to model the log. As you can see, I used these blueprints and I just followed the design. I modeled the left side and I used mirror modifier. This part of Stargate I modeled from the reference photos. I modeled the outside part of the light, and I modeled the spearhead, which is very characteristic piece of this model. Finally came the moment to model the wings. The shape is not complicated, as you can see. I used the mirror modifier to copy the shape to the right side and also to the back side of the gate. And after, when I finished the wings, I modeled this small part in between locks, and that's all for today. If you like this video, please press the like button and also consider to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget press the notification bell icon and please share this video with your friends, and see you in the next video.